Hello everyone, welcome to lesson 51. In this lesson, you will learn to talk about time. You will listen to some station announcements and hear how time and platform are announced.
The next train to depart from platform 3 will be the 1800 Virgin Trains East Coast service to Edinburgh. Calling at York, Darlington, Newcastle, Berwick-upon-Tweed, Dunbar and Edinburgh. Platform 3 will be 1800 Virgin Trains East Coast service to Edinburgh.
Platform 3 for the 0900 hours cross-country service to Bournemouth. Calling at Bournemouth only. A trolley service of drinks and light refreshments is available on this train. This train is formed of 4 coaches. Platform 3 for the 0900 hours cross-country service to Bournemouth.
This is a platform alteration. The 1453 Post County Connect service to Cambridge will now depart from platform 9.
Platform 13 for the 1732 Southern service to Gatwick Airport, calling at East Croydon and Gatwick Airport. This train has 8 carriages. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform edge.
Platform 2 for the 0900 hours cross-country service to Banbury.
Platform 3 for the 0918 Southwest train service to Weymouth.
Platform 6 for the 1658 Southwestern Railway service to Reading.
Please mind the gap between the train and the platform edge.
The train now approaching platform 1 is the 0754 London Overground service to Gospel Oak. Please stand back behind the yellow line.
The train now approaching platform 1 is the 1405 Southwestern Railway service to London Waterloo via Richmond.
The next train to depart from platform 11 will be the 1701 Southern service to Dorking. Platform 11 for the 1701 Southern service to Dorking.
I've got a really busy day today. At 8:30 I have a breakfast meeting with Callie Jensen at ALC. Then I have to be back by 10 for a meeting with Bob and Sean. Before lunch around 11:45 I'm seeing Helen to go through the sales report. Then it's off to lunch at 1 with Dan Chester. He's from Cranco. After lunch I've got to go to CEO International for another meeting. That's from 2:30 to around 4. And finally it's back to collect Janet from school at 5:15. What a day.
A. 7:20. B. 9:55. C. 1:45. D. 12:30. E. 9:25. F. 12:25. G. 4:10. H. 10:15. That's the end of lesson 51. In the next lesson, we're going to learn about following directions and finding your way. Till then, goodbye.